Enterprise Document Management System or ECM. At the end of the topic, participants will be able to understand importance of EDMS versus present legacy system, the benefits of the system and the individual to save enormous time, redundancy and heavy cost on space, power, logistic and stationery. Avoid confusion and produce quality documentation as per compliance and governance. We'll see two scenarios. One is non-EDMS versus EDMS organization. Many companies still are using the legacy hard copy document management system for storage and tracking the transaction of transmittal, review, approval, etc. There are many disadvantages in today's world for maintaining document management without EDMS. Few are listed below. Redundancy of documents and data consumes more in retrieval time resulting in delay, cluttered documents with legacy system, higher cost of space, non-cost effective solution as logistic charges like delivery, distribution, packing cost goes up, rework is unavoidable, adds confusion to it, degradation in the efficiency, misconception and non-conformance, improper resource utilization resulting in non-profitability and losses. And other side, the organization who are using EDMS. There are many advantages if an organization uses EDMS, which are listed here. It avoids redundancy. It is faster and accurate retrieval than traditional method. There is a cost saving solution with return on investment, timely delivery and distribution for action and information, eliminates rework and misconception, efficiency through real-time monitoring with dashboard and reports, increases coordination and communication, optimum resource allocation and utilization, backup and storage of electronic files saves lot of space. These are the advantages of EDMS. Now we will see what is electronic document management system. EDMS may be a desktop system, server based system, web based system or cloud based, depends on the organization plan of investment. A good EDMS comprises of proper system to store documents from creation of draft to archives, image processing like scanning, renaming, quality check and storage, document numbering and validation can be done, editing, deletion and revisions, workflow or business processes management, organize repositories in hierarchical folder structure, faster retrieval, registering with defined parameters, help in search and registering documents, report and dashboards are the easy task, audit trail or history of review and editing, record management. These are the features which a good EDMS can have. Now let's see ECM, EDMS, ERMS and WCM. What are they? EDMS has been enhanced to accommodate all format and content with collaboration and integration on web-based platform. ECM, ERMS and WCMs are new terms used for EDMS, which has content capture, manage, store, preserve and deliver all forms of content in organized manner. Enterprise content management. An ECM system is a document management software system, stores all types of digital content and capture, manage, stores, preserve and deliver across an project or organization. Enterprise Record Management System. Enterprise Record Management System deals with only records management content required to be preserved as per record retention plan of the organization. What is EDMS? Electronic Document Management System is a software program that manages end-to-end document management cycle from creation of draft to archives, storage and control of documents electronically. The business workflow will be organized electronically in EDMS for efficiently control document control process from draft, review and approval. EDMS can store the images in various formats to retrieval the document instantly through proper inputs of metadata in secured manner and automatically provide version control. What is enterprise document management? A web content management system is a software system that offering users the ability to manage documents and output for multiple author editing and participation with web authorization. WCM will reduce lot of cost on delivery, infrastructure, on hard work and user can be able to log to the website all over the world through internet. Document management modules. We'll see here what are the modules included in document management. There are many modules in EDMS which can take care of categories of document type and process separately so that their transaction across the project or organization have smooth flow and generate proper reports and register. Depends on organization, the EDMS vendor will configure the modules. The main modules are correspondence management, document drawing management, vendor supplier document management, record management, change management, RFI, technical queries, design change note, field change note management, workflow management, form management, tender and estimation modules. Dynamic document numbering system. Document number plays very important role in unique identification of every document as per its characteristics. If EDMS generates the number dynamically, it will reduce redundancies and provide validation to avoid confusions. Document numbering. Generating unique document or drawing number for the enterprise or project. Unique sequential number is assigned as per the chosen document required parameters. Provision of registering number individually or uploaded through predefined parameter in CSV files. Also includes metadata required for retrieval and reporting, for example, revision, reason for issues, plant date, etc. These modules control document numbering. Now, correspondence management. Correspondence management module is used for each to and fro transaction of administrative communications with registering it in DMS. It is very useful for seamless communication with the external parties and internal stakeholders. It contains letter, email, fax, IOM, MOM, circular, conferencing. It captures all incoming or outgoing transaction until closeout with metadata parameters. It generates reports for response, overdue and completion. Avoid confusion and minimize snag list and legal complication. Correspondence will never have a revision. This is the way correspondence are managed in this module. Next is document and drawing management. In an organization, there is a module which is very much required to control drawing and document management. The drawing and document management are always issued and received with a cover note mentioning document details for checking by receiver party and purpose for issue. The cover note is called transmittal. Transmittal is a cover note for addressing document and drawings. It specifies transaction for all incoming and outgoing deliverables. It contains document number, revision, descriptions, reason for issues, approval status, and to and from. DMS system generates a unique sequential transmittal number. DMS generates user-defined reports showing completed, outstanding, cancelled, overdue status. Supplier or vendor document management. Supplier document is separately managed and monitored in DMS as they have unique identification and to be managed, purchased order-wise or vendor-wise. As below, it manages of all incoming and outgoing supplier document. Review and approval cycles are tracked through this module. It generates unique numbering with purchase order for identifications. Supplier documents number also registered with client's number with cross-reference. Final documentation compiled with IOM, MRB and related documents. This module will help you to manage your final documentation. Next, folder structure. Many EDMS systems can be able to generate hierarchical folder structure as per client requirement. What it does? It defines as per enterprise or project procedure. Hierarchical folder structure generated per inheritance. The classification made as per project, area, department, document type or as per industry requirement. So that you can play in any structure. It has secured access provided to concern as per permission. It takes care of confidentiality for secure documents. So you create a folder structure, but you can control those with the features available in EDMS. Distribution module. Distribution module is used for sending the document consistently by document controller without disturbing the project manager's time in markup every time and keep it pending. Distribution group are set as per the distribution matrix. Distribution group can be added or deleted. Individual also can be added or deleted from the group. Distribution is marked for action for information. Document controller follow the matrix and distribute. So when the documents are coming, the distribution module will help you to distribute them across the organization without any delay. Workflow module. Workflow module is the most important module in EDMS as the set business process for draft, review and approval for documents can be monitored from it. There are three types of workflows: serial workflow, parallel workflow, ad hoc workflow. Benefits of workflows are it automates the routing process, reaches only to the concern for review and approval. It doesn't go here and there, it goes to the proper concerned person. Streamlining business processes, eliminating bottleneck. So there is no delay or there is no problems in receiving and sending the documents. So workflow which is set in this module will help a proper flow of document. Document management features. There are many features in a good EDMS system which helps the organization to transact every activities within DMS. Those features are like dynamic document numbering. Take care of auto-generating document number, whether it is project-wise document numbering can be decided as per the scope of project. There is features like bulk upload and download. Content can be uploaded in a bulk or downloaded in a bulk to save time on single download and upload. Red line markup, online review. Comments on documents and drawing can be marked with a markup tool with the annotation online without help of AutoCAD or Adobe Professional. This tool saves enormous time on review and comments without touching the original documents or drawing, as it is just an layer on the original. Real-time report with dashboard. Many EDMS generates the reports and dashboard from the master register parameter with review and approval status and planned and actual date of submission with the percentage progress from draft to final, as built documents and also exported to Excel. So you have many options here to make your report a beautiful presentation. User can be able to see the progress and act accordingly on actions. Folder creation and auto upload of contents. Auto generated folders are created as per the hierarchical structure of project or organization with limited access control to preserve the document's confidentiality with the security. Collaboration with clients, vendor and contractor. With the help of EDMS, you can share with stakeholder by providing limited access permission rights for document transaction to save on delivery cost and quick review to reduce time to review cycles with integrity and accountability. Integration with Primavera, SAP, ERP and SharePoint. Few EDMS also can be integrated with ERP, SAP, Primavera, Oracle, SharePoint to share data exchange among organizations for better results and get all information of content or subject instantly without switching over to other system. So you have different software you can integrate with EDMS. Distribution as per defined distribution matrix. Distribution can be done from the Active Directory by grouping the concerned names and department as per the distribution matrix for action or information. E-signature. E-signature are also embedded in EDMS with proper coding, so authorized only can provide approval. Notification, chat, discussion, task. Few EDMS also has a facility for notification, chat, discussion and task of individual to minimize the email transaction across the stakeholder and clarify and resolve issue within EDMS as they are recorded within the system. The tools are helping the organization in great extent as small issues are never surfaced at the end of the project and recording helps as evidence for action. Auto version and revision validation. EDMS has version control within the system to show any changes made by user. Major revisions are manually fed in the system as and when take places and they are validated. Audit trail. Audit trail is an important function which takes care of every small changes made by authorized user on the content or metadata during the review. User cannot deny on this action as they are tracked with date and time with action taken. Association or cross-referencing. This is a cross-referencing tool to show how many documents are referred to make the design document which can be linked to the main document. In EDMS, every document needs to be searched by its given metadata parameter. User can be able to search the document for drawing from its features. Multi-dimensional search is available. Provide user-defined search per indexing parameter. It narrows down the search. Report and dashboard. There are various reports can be generated as per the user requirement. Generate consolidated report from field or attributes or property. Generate customized report as per defined. Generate weekly, daily and monthly document progress report. Exception reports for pending, completed and closed. Generate export to Excel reports as per user requirement. Better representation can be given with integration to Crystal reports. So you have at one place reports and dashboards. Record management. Few EDMS also take care of records management aspect in DMS for archival purpose. Document categories are defined with the retention period in the system. Record management modules helps in archival done as per the retention program, alert notification for disposition and retention, manage to control hard and soft copy archive, confidentiality embedded with the limited access. So record management is also a feature available in DMS which will control the records. Appoint implementation team. For making the EDMS successful in the organization or project, following points are necessary to make the EDMS success. Organize DMS implementation team from all departments. Appoint EDMS implementation manager. Appoint DMS champion from each department. Define roles and responsibility to individual. Provide scheduled task and completion date. Must spend 2 hours a day till go live. So once you have a good team, there is a lot of 100% good implementation chances. Analysis and data gathering. Once implementation team draws the plan for EDMS implementation, they must take care of below points. How many project and department will be using EDMS? How many project documents need to be stored? How many licenses are required concurrently? How many projects and departments will be using EDMS? How IT department will be able to support EDMS? How many workflow will be required for project? Who will be a single point of contact for monitoring? Which are the compliances to be followed for EDMS? Does it require integration with a Primavera or ERP system? Does it require collaboration with other project partner? What modules and features are required? What should be the implementation plan? This question to be considered before the implementation of EDMS. Next is compliance and legal requirement. Organization or project compliance and legal requirements are also to be considered during implementation process so that it will be standardized across the organization and project with following points for minimum consideration. Documents and record retrieved on demand, store every digital image format, maintain record in PDF or PDF-A alternative format, maintain accuracy, uniformity, integrity and reliability. Only authorized access to be permitted as per rights. Provide complete audit trails on creation, addition and deletion. Facility of cross-referencing. Provide system administration and user documentation. Annual maintenance contract for 24/7 support and service. Able to manage printing. So these are the points to be considered when you really go for a good compliances and the legal requirement. Thank you.